Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to center this Windows menu to all the way from center to the left. I know Windows 10 and previous Windows always used to have this Windows icon at the left, and in Windows 11 currently they moved everything into center. I don't mind, but I'm just showing it to other people how to do it. It's pretty easy. Let me just start showing you. So all you need to do is first right click on the taskbar, go to taskbar settings. Once you go to settings, scroll all the way down where you find the taskbar behaviors. Click on that. The first option itself, taskbar alignment, just select left. That's all. Yeah, you have everything in the left now. So yeah, that's how you do it. I'm going to keep it in center, but yeah, it's up to you. Thank you everyone. Catch you soon.